Okay, so just let's have a look at this 3D puzzle. You got the cuboid A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, and it goes calculate the length AG. So where's A? There it is. Where's G? There. And we need to calculate the length A going to G. Now before we calculate that, I want to see how can I go from there to there using a right angle triangle. So what I can do is I can go draw a line down here, and then I also can go diagonally across going to G. So there's my right angle triangle. So before I even get to AG, first I need to find what GE is, okay, or EG. So I'm going to draw this 2D triangle. Now before I start, this is a cuboid, this is 16, and this will be 16. So if I went and draw, again, when you draw the 2D version, make sure you draw and label everything. So that right angle is F. I'm going to call that G, and this I'm going to call E. EF is 16. GF is 8. So if I'm finding GE, this is just simple Pythagoras, where you square the numbers. 8 squared plus 16 squared, because it's hypotenuse, you add them, then you square root, and you will get, I'm just going to check that on my calculator, 8 squared plus 16 squared. You can do this directly on your calculator, you get 320. Now 320 square root of 320, square root answer will give me, now I would just leave it as 8, I would just leave it as that at the moment. Don't worry too much about it. I know the calculator says it's 8 root 5 and it gives you a decimal. Just to avoid any confusion, you can put it like that, but I'm going to leave it like that for now, so that I don't get any rounding errors. Now, next thing, I've got this. I know the height is 15, so that is 15. And I know this is root 320. So I'm going to draw this triangle here. So I'm going to get A, E, G. Now I know G is 320 root, and I know AE is 15, and I've been told I want to find out, I'm going to call that X, AG. So if I call that X, just do that there, X would equal, which is the hypotenuse, don't forget it's facing the right angle, you get 15 squared. Now this one's the reason why I left it like that, why I wasn't worried, because I need to square this, and if I square a root, I'll get just the integer inside, which is because they just cancel each other out. So I'll just get 320. I'll just put that here, 320 square root squared will just give me 320, because these are opposite, they're the inverse of each other, and they'll cancel the root out. Okay, so you just end up with the number. So I know that 15 squared is 225, and that's 320. If I add those together, I'm going to get 45. And then you just get your calculator, square root of 545, you'll get, which is the answer, 23.3 to 1 decimal place will be fine. Centimeters. Make sure you put the units in, and I'm going to call, because I called that, I'm just going to finish off writing it as AG. I know that's X, but AG, what they asked me, I've got that. Job done.